First, I open the desired video in InShot. Then I select the first item in the toolbar called Canvas and select the second icon, which looks like an image, to load my background photo. Then I hit the third icon, which unblurs it. Select the Ratio tab and select the desired aspect ratio, in this case for YouTube, 16:9. And by pinching with 2 fingers, I can zoom out the video. And swiping with 1 finger, I can move it to this desired location. Tap the check mark to close the canvas menu and head over to the third menu item called stickers to add my corner covers. For this, I tap on import stickers to create a new collection, which persists even after closing InShot. I import the corner covers from the iPad mockup pack, as well as the Procreate logo, word mark, and my own signature. Then I tap on the corner cover to add it to the canvas, and by dragging and dropping, put it in position. Tap on another corner cover, tap and hold to rotate, and repeat the process until I have all 4 corners covered. Tap on the check mark to the right to exit the sticker selection. Then I drag and drop the sticker blocks to the very beginning. Pinch in to zoom out using 2 fingers and then drag the handles from the stickers to the right to make sure they cover the whole timeline. You can then of course add your signature or logo or whatever else you want to add to your video or other overlays, and present your tutorials or other videos in a nice way. Make sure to check out my iPad mockup pack on Gumroad if you need backgrounds for your photos or videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.